Good morning, Stephanie Cameraman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's daily dark pool whispers for June 13th, 2019. So let's get started with the SPY first. The SPY, this 290 level is so important. We did test it once, pulled back. Let's see if we could test it again today. We just had some jobless numbers that came out. We'll see if we do have some movement, but 290 bullish above, and we're going to be bearish below 288.37. Actually, I'm going to just change that slightly. 288.25. Yeah, this 4 EMA just moved up. It keeps moving. That's really the key level. If we break below that, in fact, you know what? I'm just going to switch it to 288. Just give me a second. 287.75 there. Yeah, well, just because that's going to move a little bit, but that's what I look for on the daily chart. We do a retest and bounce off, but if we stay below that, then we're most likely going to get a retracement trade all the way back down to here. All right, so those are key to watch. The E-minis, let's just punch those up. If you're watching those, if you're trading the futures, yeah, 2,900, same key level, bullish above, and I'll be bearish below 28.82. That's a key level. Also for retracement, trade down to right here is 28.70 area, 68. All right, those are the key levels we're watching. Let's go to the QQQ. Yeah, that's the one that had all the big dark pool prints this week. So really watching this one like a hawk. We're going to be bullish above 184. You can see there's nothing but air above there. If we do break there. And going to be bearish below 182.25. Right here, a key level for a retracement trade down to 180. That's a key level. All right, those big dark pool prints, 183.09. We are still below that, so that is bearish for now. Oil futures, let me just punch those up here for you. Here we go. Oil futures bullish above 53.50. So here's the interesting thing. We had massive prints yesterday on APA. We had big prints on UWT, DWT, USO, and then we had a attack. Prints always come first. Before the news, before attacks, as you've seen so many times in the past. But the levels we're going to be watching, this is my Thinkorswim platform, is we're going to be bullish above 53.50. That's where this Camarilla, this blue line, pivot boss pivot is. So you can see that's resistance. In fact, let me just blow this up. Amazing, right? It stopped there on a dime and pulled away. So if we do break above that, there's a lot of room to the upside for oil, and I will be bearish below 52.25 for a retracement trade down to this pivot. And gold, you know what, I might as well stay on these futures. Gold futures, we're going to be bullish above 13.44. All right, that's where these pivots are right here. And bearish below 13.36. That's where person's pivot is. Yep, we could retrace there, but if we break below, that would be bearish. We do have some gold prints that came in yesterday. I'll be talking about that in just a minute, but let's just start with USO. We are right now testing where that big million share print was the other day, right at 11.07. So we're going to be bullish above 11.20. And if we do turn down, I'll be bearish below this 10.80 level for USO. AMD, very active this morning. Does have a lot of volume every morning. Bullish above 32.75. Bearish below 32 for a retracement trade down to the 8 exponential moving average. Lulu. Lulu had some really good earnings, but is it going to be a gap and go, or is it going to be a pop and drop? So bullish above 180. and bearish below 177.50 for a retracement. Rig had a decent size print yesterday at 556, so we're going to be bullish above 580 and bearish below 550. RH also had earnings and gapped up big time. Bullish above 120 for a gap and go trade, and bearish below 115 for a pop and drop trade for RH. Let's go to GLD because we did have dark pool yesterday at 125.75. So bullish above 126.25 and bearish below 125.25. Wells Fargo had a really nice print on it yesterday as well. 700,000 at 45.08. So today, bullish above 45.50. That would be above this 8 exponential moving average, and bearish below 44.80. In APA, I put on a strangle on this guy. I actually put a strangle on this guy back here in May. Let me show you. It was a little frustrating. It took a while. I think the print was May 10th. We had a 7 million print also. Went down, went up, and then collapsed. So have some patience with these 7 million prints, but it will have a big move. Stay on the right side, give it some time. And yeah, this was great, but a lot of patience. So 7 million again at 28.07. We are above it. So bullish above 29.25, bearish below 27.50. There you have it. Those are your whispers. Until next time, happy trading.
That's my secret. Can you keep it? My secret. My secret.